you can connect your Google Drive to Documents AI in Knowi, allowing you to directly import documents from your drive to be analyzed by the AI engine. First, navigate over to Chat with Documents, and then select New File, and click Google Drive to import files from Google Drive. When you select New Account, you'll be taken to a new tab where you can specify which Google account to connect to. Select Allow, and then you can rename this data source. We'll test that connection. We see that it's successful, so we'll go ahead and save. And now you've got access to Google Drive directly from Knowi. So if I want to import a document, I'll select that drive, select the document I want to bring in, and now we see that it's on the left-hand side where all our documents are. Now, let's say you're working with a document that you're continually updating. You don't have to keep re-importing that file. You can go back to your Google Drive connection, select this folder icon, and then you can select the refresh rate. So instead of once, I can have it refresh hourly, daily, or monthly, depending on how frequently you want this data set refreshed. So I'll go ahead and say daily. And now this marketing campaign CSV is going to be refreshed every single day, so I can import those changes into Knowi that I'm making directly in my Google Drive.